What's going on, guys? This is Jimdel-Edu. Welcome back for another tutorial. Last time I showed you a preview of what we will have to do. Now it's time to add some code. Okay, this is what we are going to do, and get ready for that. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Now, this is it. This is the navigation bar. Okay, with all the links. Also, we have this is the panel. Okay, this is the portfolio, by the way. If you are new to my website, to my YouTube channel, welcome aboard. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, to share this channel. Okay, and this is what we are going to do. We have the navigation bar. Also, we have this portfolio. This is a cool portfolio about me, and this is a different way of doing a portfolio. You add some styles, okay, and make the employer make, okay, you are someone unique, okay, you are a unique person. Also, this is a contact, send message, contact, and so on. But we are going to use HTML and CSS and some JavaScript. Open your code editor. Without further ado, open your code editor. Let's get started. Okay. And the first thing, as I showed you, the first thing, okay, let me open my code editor. This is my main folder. Okay. Here I'm going to explain this tutorial, okay, as much as I can. Here's my main folder. I call it portfolio. Also here, as you can see, I already have a folder called font. This is where I have all of my font, okay, as you can see. Also, I have another folder called images, where I save all of my image here, okay. Also, you need don't worry for the font folder. I'm going to put the link in the description. You have to go there and download font folder and put it inside of your main folder. For the images folder, you have to create it on your own inside of your main folder. Now, next thing, let's create. First thing I'm going to do, we need a JS folder, which is a JavaScript folder, where we are going to put all of our JavaScript files inside of it. Okay, let's get started. Right click on our main folder. Let's create a folder. Right click and create a new folder. Let's call it JS. Click enter. Okay, now we have a third folder inside of our main folder, which is a JS folder. Okay, we need a jQuery user interface effect. Also, we need a jQuery 3.6.0 minify JS. Let me show you how to get this one. Go ahead. Let's go to the first one. We need a jQuery 3.6. Let me show you. Go to Google and put jQuery 3.6.0 that minify.js. Is this guy right here. And then when you click on it, and once you click on it, go ahead and scroll down. Let me show you. Click on this the second link here, jQuery 3.6.0 released. This is this link. Go ahead, click on it. Okay, once you click on it, this is the one we're looking for. Once you click on it, go ahead and scroll down, and you will see download. Here, after download, is the second link, which is this one right here. Go ahead and click on this link. Okay, as you can see, it's open here. Go ahead and do Control A to highlight everything. Once you highlight everything, right click on it and click copy. Okay, let's go back to our code. Okay, now click on JS folder. Okay, click on JS folder, right click on JS folder, and let's create a new file. and click on Control S to save as. Okay, save as, and let's call it, remember, let's go back, let me show you. This is if, okay, we can do this. Okay, we can copy. Okay, we can copy this guy first and right click, copy. This is the name of the, okay, this is the name of the file. We can copy this. Okay, copy, go back and paste it here and click on save. Now we have it, and we can go back again. Once you align everything, click on copy, go back and paste it here. Okay, and save it. Now if you expand this, we have it. Now next, JavaScript, we need a jQuery user interface or UI effect, Minify JS. Let me show you. Go back here, and this is where we are going to get it here. Let me, okay, let's go back, go to Google, put jQuery UI.effect that minify or main.js. Once you put this and click enter, and let's scroll down, let me show you which one that we need. Okay, I'm looking for the, not effects, should be effect. Click enter, looking for the right one. Okay, I want you to go and look for this guy, jQuery UI effect that main.js, download cdn pkg.com. okay, this link, click on it. Once you click on it, once you click on this one and highlight this title, this is the name of the file, copy. Let's go back, go ahead and right click on JS folder, new file, and Control S and paste it here, save it. Now let's go back. Now we are going to download this, or we can, if we scroll down, we can click on download this one too. This is the same thing, but let's do take the first one, click on this one. Once you click on it, as you can see, it's okay, this is a zip file right here, and go ahead, double click, open this one. You can do it this way if you want. You can go ahead and copy. Let's see if we can take it. Okay, let's see, extract, view as, rename. Okay, copy, full name. Okay, let's copy this. I'm going to do copy full name to clip. Okay, Control C. Okay, I do Control C, and what we can do, I'm going, okay, let's go here. Let's go here. This is a, yeah, UI effect. Okay, and open here. Oh, we already have it here. Okay, yes, we have it. Yes, oh, we pasted it. Okay, okay, this is the UI effect. Let me go back and double check. Yeah, this is a jQuery. Yes, this one. Oh no, yeah, we have the file, but we don't have the code inside of it. Let's go back. Let's go here. Okay, yeah, let's go here. What I can do, if we copy, okay, you can say copy and paste it here to see. Okay, let's replace it. Okay, replace it right here, and then we should see the code. Okay, yes, we have the code now. Now we can, you can do it this way too. Okay, and just copy this, create the file and download it. Okay, once you download it, double click and copy, do Control C. Okay, for Windows, and okay, replace it. And then once you replace it, you will see the code is everything. We have it. Okay, now we have it here. Okay, this is fine. Now next, inside of the JS folder, let's create another file, JS file, new file, Control S. Let's call it, we will add some code later on. Okay, let's call it my, okay, let's call it my panel.js. Okay, oh my goodness, ça passe là. Is it this one? Oh yeah. Font awesome main.css. Let's look. I'm looking for the right one. Okay. Okay. Once you scroll down a little bit and find this guy right here. Font awesome that minify.css CNM, and click on this snake right here. Click on this snake. Okay. Looking for this one. You can copy this. Copy. Let's go back and right click on CSS folder, click on new file, click on Control S to save, and I want you to paste this one. Click on save. Now we have it, and let's go back and copy. As you can see here, we have a file content, and let's go here. Well, let's go here. We can do this too. Let's go here, highlight the first two, copy, and paste them here. Go to the next line, and let's go back and double click, highlight everything, and you copy, go back and you paste this one, paste it here. Okay, this is how you get it. Okay, let's go back. Now we have and then save everything. Now we have photosom.css, and inside of the CSS folder we have JS, we have JavaScript. Okay, once you got everything like this, okay, now let's continue. Now let's create index.html. This is pretty much our one HTML file we need. Right click here, let's create our, and let's save it, call it index.html, and let's save it right here. Okay, now okay, let's do it this way. Okay, now let's put our title. I'm going to call it portfolio, and okay, let me move this closer here. Now let's add our some links. Okay, and the first one we need, this is a CSS folder, and remember this is a main.css, and the second one we need a CSS. Again, we need a file called style.css. And we need the third one, let's call it inside of the CSS folder. Let's call it my underscore layout.css. Let's create this quick inside of the right click, new file. The first one, let's call it my underscore layout.css. Let's save this one. Also, we need the second one called style.css. Okay, inside of the main CSS folder. Control S and let's paste it and save it. Okay. Now let's create our script. Now we need the script here. Okay, and the first one for our source, we need the JS folder, followed by jQuery. Okay. Yes, this is right here. jQuery 3.6.0 that okay that JS. This is the first one, and the second one our second script, second software JS folder, followed by my.panel.js, and our third script we have our jQuery .ui .effect .minify.js. Okay. Okay, now we need the after this. This is the head part, and outside of the head part, I need no. This is let's follow the same thing after the script inside of this head part. Okay, I'm going to create another script here, but at this time, I'm going to say document. Not okay. Let's go inside of the script. Okay, let's say document okay, and put it this way and bring this down. Okay, bring this down. Also, this guy should call it, you should put it here, should go here, and bring this one like this. Okay, okay, this is the first. Now okay, let's add some code. I'm going to say $sign, and this is for this script. This is for the panel layer. Let me show you here. Okay, right here. All right, this is for the panel layer. I'm going to say for the double quote first. I'm going to say here my panel layer. Okay, animate. For the animation duration, 5 seconds. Okay, animation easing Okay, is out cubic. Okay, display. I'm going to display overlay like this. Position right, and we use a semicolon here. Okay. Okay, that's the second part. How come this I like? Let me see. Oh yes, because remember this. Let remove this. This is supposed to be like this, and bring this up like this. Okay. Bring this up. Okay, opening, closing, opening script, closing script. Okay, this is fine. Now let's continue. This is the head part is done. Okay. Now and let me bring this up for the body, and let's go open the body. Okay. Now let's add our main body code. Okay, code inside of the main body. The first thing I'm going to create is to create our navigation bar. Okay, let's create our navigation bar first. Or what I'm going to do, let's run our program. I'm going to say open with a Chrome. Okay, and then it's empty, nothing yet. Let's continue. Okay, let's go inside of our body. Now let me create my navigation. Okay, now create our navigation. The first thing we need a div for that. Also, yes, we need a class. Okay, but let me call this class nav bar like this. Oh sure, we need another list. Also we need all of our anchor tag followed by our tag and class. Alright, the first thing we need let's add a class in front instead. I'm going to call it nav link like this, and followed by href, and let's keep it simple, and followed by our target. Alright, followed by our target, and that should be like this. Put self. We need I. We need class for the icon. The first one, let's call it for home. This is how you put it. Okay. Also, let me increase this so that you can see what I'm doing. And then here, I'm going to pass on this guy. And go here again in front of the, do the same thing. No, this is not $sign, okay? It's, yes. Do the same thing here. The N NBSP and put home. Okay, or put a capital letter. Okay, save everything, and as if you refresh the page, refresh it, we have home. Okay, all right. Now we need a second for is what we're doing. Let me move this font. Okay, we need home, about, experience, and so on. Let's continue. What we can do to save some time, and I'm going to copy. What if we copy everything here? Let me let's see, tools, edit, view. Okay, let's say I mean, okay, let's go here and paste everything. Now we can change. Okay, we need 7, so we get 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let okay, I'm going to change. Okay, here let's put something. Let's put something else. Okay, put info circle, and let's put something here for about, like this. Okay, and here let's put I'm going to put light bulb, like this. Okay, and put experience. Okay, and here for line put book, for education, and here let's put a suitcase, for skills, and here let's put user, for interest, and last but not least, let's put, I'm going to put this is something else. Okay, let's put envelope, for put contact. Okay, okay, let's put, you can put anything you want. You can put your website here, and for contact, everything. Okay, now what we can do, this is closing, save everything, and if we refresh it, okay, now we got the nav bar, and let's add some CSS to see what we are doing. And go ahead, inside of the CSS folder, click on style.css to add some CSS for our navigation bar. The first thing, remember, we have nav bar. Let's work with this guy and put I want this to display flex, and let's pass, we need the background color. Here's the color, DE5, okay, DE5928, and let's put a position sticky. Okay, also for the top we need top 0. Do this, okay, and okay, let's continue. Also we need the navbar. Now for the anchor tag A, put it here, we need to display this one inline block. Also for the list style type, let's say none. We need that for the text decoration. I'll remove everything here. Okay. And URL anchor tag. Let's now let's pass a color of white. Okay. Now the URL we need for the list. Okay, for the list style, I'm going to say none. Also, let's walk straight with the anchor tag. We need, yeah, let's put a margin of 5 pixels and 10 pixels. What I mean by that, yes, as you can see the space, okay, and next we need the after margin, we need the text text decoration none, also a color of 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this, and we need the font size to keep it of 18 pixels. Okay, and next we need I'm going to put an over it. So I'm going to say a put okay, and let me add the color, which is the 231 920. Now save everything and let's go back. Why is the over yet? Okay. Okay, let's say nav bar over. Okay, save everything. Okay. Okay, and once you add the JavaScript, you will see the icon. Let's continue. Okay, so far so good. We, as you can see, we have an idea. And next thing, let's create our div, and so that we can let me show you here. Create our div and create everything inside of the main body for the container. Let's go back inside of the index.html. Now let's create our main body here. Okay. Now create a div, and we need a container. We need ID and container. Okay. Is the create ID, and this is our container. Now we need another ID. I'm going to pass the shape. Now I want you to follow me here, guys, because this is a lot of shapes. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to, this is first shape. Let's work with this one, this background orange here. Okay, or salmon. The first one, I need the ID here. Let's call it my underscore shape. We can put let's put a capital S instead right here, and put we can put a number just to differentiate each one. This is the first one. It's the first shape. Go inside, create a div, and ID. Still capital S. Okay, remember that. Put this one shape 14 like this. This one at this time. The first one my, the second one like this. Okay. All right. Go to the next line. Let's create. Okay. We need a div that continue the same thing. We need a div, and we're working with ID. Mine at this time. Now this one for the shape 1. Okay. Shape 1. Go here. We need a div. We need a shape 1 here. Put shape 1 like this. Okay. All right. Space. Now let's add our first picture. I would say I can put it this way. First picture. We need a div for that. ID. Okay, call it mine like this, image 2, and go inside, create img like this. Our source will be image folder images followed by the name of the picture like this. Okay, this is a graduate one that JPG like this, and also I'm going to with ID. Okay, image 2. After I'm going to pass a width inside of it of 709. Okay, and space we need a height of, put the height same value like this. All right, now go ahead, save everything, and this is what we're working on right now. Let me put in font, and okay, here's our first page. Okay, now we will fix everything. Okay, let continue. All right, this one is for a container. Let me put it this way so that you can identify this one. This one is container. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Now let's pass our first shape. Okay, let's pass our first shape. Okay, which is our first shape. Let me show you here, which is about me. Okay, and this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Okay, with div, let's call it no, first we need, I remember, ID, my shape. You give a number for anything you want, and go here, div again, and call it shape 4. Okay, now let's pass a star. This is, let's pass this one, the one that say okay, Jimdel portfolio. Okay, let's pass it, and all right, now I'm going to say let me put something that's ship Jimdel-Edu. Okay, to differentiate each one. Now I'm going to, first we need a div, ID. Let me increase this. Okay, and let's call this one mine shape 2. and go inside here and call it shape 2. Okay, that's for container. Okay, all right. Now next, let's continue. We need a text where I said okay, Jimdel-Edu and then for portfolio. Now let's pass it. Let's pass this text. We need a D for that, and call it my text 5. Okay, I'm going to pass the style inside of it and put a color. Put a color of, this is my color, is the number, put 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and here I'm going to say Jimdel-Edu, and I'm going to, oops, let me go undo, Jimdel-Edu, and I'm going to pass a break, add a break here, and to put portfolio here. All right, go ahead, save everything. Okay, you won't see it yet, but I will okay, now as we reach at this point, guys, okay, next let me finish with the first part. Let me show you, and then I will add some CSS like this part. Let's finish with this part about me, add everything, and then I will add some CSS to see what we are doing. Okay, now let's continue. Now I'm going to say this is this part for about me. Okay, about me. Now this is the text. This is how we call it, my text 6. And okay, let's pass our style inside of it and put our color, and is our color 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm going to say font. We need to just pass our font family here. Okay, and our font size. Okay, now we need a dummy text. Okay, we go in, let's go here and grab some text. Okay, and can take this one and go here. Okay, we can paste it. All right, no problem. Okay, this is div. This spot is done. We can go head here. We have the text here. Okay. Now let's add some CSS before continuing. Okay, let's add some CSS before continuing. Now we have, remember, we have shape, my text, and so on. Let's add some CSS. After adding this, okay, and we have our output. Okay, right here we have the picture, first picture, navigation. Now let's go back to our code and add in one more thing. Let me show you. Let's work with this part, which is the one that said about me and the text. Okay, now let's continue here. Go back to our code. Now let's say I'm going to say use okay, So this div, let's call this pass. When we're working with ID, call it my text tool, like this, and create a span. Okay, we can pass a style in front of it and give the give a color. Is the color, put a 29 to, okay, C 33, and after that we can add a font family here, which is Arial, like this, and we can add a font size of 64 pixel. Okay, also we can let me pass a strong here, okay, and in the middle of the strong, or in the center, let's put, this is where I'm going to put about me, like this. Okay, and this and save, go ahead, save everything, and go here, refresh the page. Now we have about me, we have the text, and we have the image. Now I'm going to pass the CSS for the layout. The first, let me show you here, our first layout. I'm going to pass the CSS so that you can see what we're doing. Okay, guys. Now let's go back to our code. Now I want you to go inside of your CSS folder, open my underscore layout.css, open it, and now let's add some CSS. The first thing, let me show you, we need let's work with our container. Okay, our div container. This is the first thing, because we're done with the with our navigation bar. Now let's work with our div container. Okay, my layout.css. Let's add some code, and this is how to, okay, put it this way. Let's say we need a width of, this is the width. Okay, also we can give a position of relative. Okay, let's give it a position of relative, and we need a margin of, okay, margin of 0 auto and 0 auto. Okay, also we need a text, we need our text to align to the left. Okay, text align left. Go ahead, save everything, and go ahead, refresh the page. As you can see, now we got everything as is moving to the right side. Okay, let's continue. Next, let's work with our body. Okay, now let's work with our body here, and to fix everything. Okay, okay, our body, the first thing we need the background color. Okay, and after the background color, now let's pass our color. This is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 right here, and we need a font family, also font size first, 13 pixel. The same, we need a font family, okay, we use the same font, and we need a font weight. For font weight, we need a 1875, yes, like this, and we need a margin of 0. Also our text align, we need our text to be aligned to the center. Okay, and after adding everything here, and we refresh it, okay, we pass our color, and now pretty much we're working on it. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back now. Let's work with our I'm working Okay, now I'm going to work with our we already passed let's see, we have my shape, shape 1, image 2, and so on. Now okay, let continue. Okay, now we need we have the first thing we have let's pass our anchor tag color. Let me show you here. Oh no, let's go back here, everything here, and let's say the first one, color 30 4 zeros and 2F, and okay, oops, okay, they want second, let's say I'm going to say visited. Right here is the color, put the same thing, okay, and at this time with the text decoration on the line. Okay, text and decoration on the line. Okay, but also I'm going to pass over like this, and okay, for visited we need only color. Remove this, cut this, and for the color I'm going to change it to something else. Put 1000. Okay, put it like this. It's supposed to be 80. Okay, okay, here, and paste it. This is a text. Oops, I'm going to cut everything and start from text, text decoration on the line like this, and put our color. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now save everything. Here let's work with shape number 14, but we put it here. We're supposed to put it let me show you. If we refresh this, as you can see on the line, okay, and okay, this we have a shape 14 here. Okay, this first block of code, and then after we second block of code. Now we have my, okay, we have shape, because we have ID here, shape 14. Okay, my layout.css. Now we have shape 14 like this. Okay, we need a width of 471 pixel, also a height of, okay, put, I'm going to pass a background color 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. And next we need I need a background image, but not going to display, by the way, background image here. Okay, and background image, I'm going to say none, but we need I'm going to add a border of 0 pixel. Okay, and add this color here. Okay, it should be solid like this. Put it this way. Now let's continue with now let's take my, at this time, if you go back, and now let's take my shape 14 and paste it here as that. Okay, we need a position for that. We need the position to be absolute. Also for the left, because it should be on the left side. Let me show you. I'm going to say left. Okay, and top is a pixel for top, 47. Also we need a width of, and we need height as well. Also I'm going to use my z index to be 11. Okay, now let's go refresh it. Okay, all right, this is okay, this is, here we have shape 14 right here. Okay, right. Okay, now let's finish with this the first part first. All right, now we have after that, let's go back. We have shape 1. Okay, let's copy and paste it here. For shape 1 we need a width of 486 pixel, and we need a height of 541. I'm going to pass a background color, put it this way. Okay, and display background image, but I'm going to do this to none. And also I'm going to pass a border here at the background image. Okay, okay. Now next, after shape 1, and then after that, you can see here we have my shape 1. We can do this as well. Put a position absolute. Now we have my shape 1, and I want this is my left. Okay, okay, and for my width of 486, and I need a height of and my z index to be 12 at this time. Go ahead and save everything and refresh it. As you can see, now we have this part, and we will hide this one. Okay, let's go back and let's work with our image, my image 2. Okay, copy my image 2 and paste it here. Now I'm going to say this is a vertical align to the top. Now, okay, I want my image vertical align to the top. If we do that and refresh it, okay, all right, so vertical align to the top. And now after my image 2, we have ID image 2, and copy this one, do the same thing, but this one we need a border. Okay, and this is for image 2, we need a border, and I'm going to we need the border radius of okay, also a padding, width to be 100%, and our height to be same thing. We need the height to be 100% as well. Okay, now what we're going to do, let's go and okay, refresh it. Let's go back and see. Okay, 0 pixel, but that's okay, padding, 0 margin left, top. Okay, now that's image 2. This is image 2. Okay, now let's continue with my my image 2. We can copy this link right here, copy this one, and we can paste it here. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to say, position, put a position absolute, and left. Do we have it? My image 2. Yeah, good. Number 2. Do we have my image 2 yet? My image 2 on vertical. Okay, yes. Okay, left 141 pixel, and oops, here, top, and height, same value, and the index 13. Okay, go ahead and save everything. Now let okay, as you can see, we hide this one right here, and let's move those things down. Okay, now this is remember, you see the code, we done with okay, pretty much. Now we have a shape my shape 4, and my shape 2. Each one here is a block of code. Okay, all right. Now now let's work with my shape 4. Okay, my shape 4, copy this one, and let's continue here. Okay, for my shape 4, I'm going to say pretty much let's give you the position absolute. Okay, for the index 14 at this time. Okay, go ahead and save everything, refresh it. Okay, all right. Now next, after my shape 4, remember we have shape 4, and copy shape 4, paste it here. Okay, now working with shape. Okay, shape 4. Now what we need a width of, and I'm going to add a height. Okay, because if you take a look here, you have to fix everything here. Okay, the same for this, as you can see here. Okay, let's go here, height, put and in the background color, six, and the background image as well. Let display none, and we need I'm going to put a border here. Okay, all right, so let's if you save it, refresh it. As you can see, now we have the white. Now we have white. Okay, okay. Now let's continue. Okay, after my shape 4, okay, next we have shape 2 here. Okay, copy. Okay, for shape 2, put a width of 584 and height of and we need the background color background image none. Also we need to put a border here. Okay, it should be solid. Okay, put solid here too. Okay. Okay. Alright, save. Go ahead, save everything. Alright, now as you can see, we have this color right here. We will move it on this side. The same for this one. We will move it here. Okay. Alright, let's go. That's our shape. This is a shape 2. Okay, and after shape 2, remember we have text. We have text here too. Let me show you. We have my text copy. We have my text 5, and let's work with my text 5. The first thing, we need a background color. I want it to be transparent. Okay, and background image, same thing, none. I'm going to pass a border, yeah, and solid. Okay, why not a border radius? Also we need the padding. We want our text to be text aligned left. Okay, text align left. Save save everything, and okay. Now let's okay, now we're done with our text my text 5. Okay, this part. Let's continue with my text 5. We have more to add. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Now let's say for my text 6 is the color. Okay, and let's give it a font family of, okay, we need a, let's put a font weight normal 1.5. Okay, let's put a font size here to be 64 pixel. Okay, let's continue here with my text 5. Now at this time I'm going to say text 5 div. Let me show you where I got it from. We have text 5. Now I'm going to say text 5 div here because we have this. Okay, Jimdel-Edu portfolio. Let's fix that. For that I'm going to say this is a text align, okay, left, like this. Go ahead, save everything. As you can see now, it's bigger. Okay, Let's continue now with our text number, my text 6. Copy my layout.css and paste it here. My text 6. Okay, first thing we need our position to be absolute. Also second left, and our top 1036, and we need a width for that too, for 63. Also to put it in the right position, let's put a height of 167. Also our z index to 17, just 17 like this. Go ahead, save everything, refresh it. Okay, now we have the text here. Now we will bring about and put this text, okay, inside here, okay, like this one, and put about here and move fix this. All right, this is what we're doing now. This is my my text 6. Let's continue with my text 6. We're not done yet. Okay, now we have we can copy this part and paste it here. Let's say background color be transparent. Pretty much same thing, background image. Okay, none. We need a border. Okay, let's put a border here. That's the border, and then we need the border radius as well. Okay. And align our text to the left. Okay. This is now at this time. We need my text 6 again. I'll take the text align to the left. Okay. Save everything. Refresh it. Okay. Next we have we have shape. Okay, let's see what next. Let's see what next. So far, my text we have. Okay, my text 6. We have my text 2. Let's see. Do we have my text? Yes, we have my text 2. We have my text 2. Yeah, we have my text 2 here. Yeah, because we need to add like this one about me here. We need to add it on top here. Okay. My text. Okay, let's go here. This is my text. Okay, my text 2. Go back here. Okay, we need a background color transparent, and no, at this time we need the background image. Okay, none. Border radius here. Okay. Text align left. Okay. Now copy my here and then paste it. At this time we need the div, and let's say text align to the left. Okay, now next, another line of code. Okay, my text 2, we need the position for my text 2 to place it absolute and left. And top to be 939. For 18 pixel. And next we need the height, and not only that, we need the z-index. Okay, we need the height and okay, like this. Okay, so if we save everything, let's go back, refresh it. Okay, as you can see, we have about me here, we have the text. Now we have about me, we have the text, and we have to put this inside of this and bring this down. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now my text 2, let's continue with my text 2 here. Let's say left, I'm going to say left 236. Width of like that, 16. So this is a visibility visible, and I want that to display inline, not inline block, but inline. Go ahead, save everything, refresh it. Okay, now about me is removed, but then bring it back. Let's see, do we have, let's see, my text left 236, my text 2, yes, this is fine. 36, 960, 72, display inline. Okay, let's continue with my text 2. My text 2, give a margin of 0 and padding of 0 here. And also one more, my text 2. Do we have a, let's see, put the background transparent. Yeah, I already got this code. Okay, yeah, save everything. Let's see. Let's bring this back. Remove, let's get this code. Let's see, my text 2. Yeah, we don't have it. Yes, we don't have it twice. No, we don't have it twice. Okay, we don't have it twice. Okay, my text 2. Okay, yeah, we don't have it twice. And that have my text 2. Let's see, div. My text 2 div, text align left. Okay, my text 2 div, text align left. Okay, and refresh it. About me, let me see something here. Text 2 solid. Okay, let me see this absolute position absolute. This is fine. This is transparent. Oh, there it goes. Okay, solid. Left, text align left. My text too. This is fine. I don't know why. Remove it from. Let me comment this block of code out and save it. And go over here. Yes, bring it back. Also, yes, we need to bring this back as well. Okay, let's add some more. Now let's bring this. Remember I told you I'm going to put this title inside of this shape, and also we need one more shape number 3. Let me show you, like this one. And also I'm going to add the button here on the about me. Okay, now we have about me here, and here let's continue. Go back to our code. Now let's fix this part. And okay, let's go back to our code. My underscore layout.css. Okay, let's go here. Remember we have we have shape tool somewhere. We have shape tool, but we did not put my shape tool. Let me show you. Looking for shape tool. Okay, yes, we need a my shape tool. Okay, copy, because we have a shape tool. Let's go here and paste my shape tool. Okay, let's fix that and put the position absolute, and put left 72, and put the top a width of our height. Give it a height of 35. I'm going to use opacity because I want it to be fade. Okay, fade, not too bright. Okay, that's why I want put opacity here. Put opacity of 0.80, something like that. I think it should be fine. And put z index 15. Okay, now let's go and save everything. Refresh it. Okay, as you can see, we bring it down. Now let's move this inside of it. Okay, all right, let's continue. Okay, now we need this is my text 5. Let's add, go in front of the my text 5, and we need another my text 5 right here. Okay, I'm going to give you the position of absolute. Oh no, this is left instead. For the left 100%, and top one, let's put instead 169 for the okay, let me add this width to see what we will get. The display and height. Okay, also put a z index of 16 like this. Go ahead, save everything and go back, refresh it. Okay, now we put this inside of it, and we have background, we have this, we have about. Let's put like the shape for this one. Now let's put our, we need this shape is missing to complete this. Okay, and we need a learn more button here. Okay, now we need this shape and learn more button. Let's go back to our code. To do this, we need to add shape number 3 and work with the button. Okay, and let's go back to index.html. Let's go back and go here. Let's add some code. This is add this div. Let me separate it. I'm going to comment. This one is shape number 3. It's a shape 3. Put it this way. This is why I call this one part ID first. Put shape 3. See, like this. Okay. And then shape 3. Okay. As you can see, put it here. And one more for the button. Let's pass the for the button. I'm going to comment this. This is the. I'm going to say this is a button 1. And for button 1, this is the input type button. This is continue for value. Yes, learn more. Okay, now we save everything and refresh it. Let's see. I don't see the button yet. Let me see. Button 1, learn more. Okay, now let's add some CSS to see the result of this block of code I just added right now. Let's go back to layout, my layout underscore layout.css, and let's scroll down. Okay, first let's work with our we have our shape number 3 and we have our button. Let's start with our button first. We have button. This is it right here. This is the button 1. Okay, and put 1 here and give it a position absolute, left, top of, okay, and the width of 140. We need the height as well, and put our z-index to be 45 for this one. Save everything and go back here, refresh the page. As you can see, is the button. And now let's add more, fix it normally, and button 1. Okay, left, top, height to be 57, visibility to be visible. Okay, also I'm going to display this not inline block but inline, and give it a margin of 0, and yes, I'm going to give a padding of top, right, bottom, left, and I need a background color. Okay, this is my background color for the button. Okay, Also for my background image, I'm going to say no. Background image none. Go ahead, save everything and refresh it. Oh, the button is removed. Oh, what's going on? Let's go back again to see. This is button 1 left and 1616 140. Yes, this is fine. Left, top width, and okay. Let's see. Okay, button 1 inline. Okay, 6 text align center. Let me let me go back here. The button is removed from here. I don't know why. Okay, let me go back and find out why. Okay, let me add. I'm going to add okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to comment out this code and copy button, paste it here. I'm going to do something. I'm going to say border to see, put something else to see what's going on. Yeah, that yeah, I'm going to pass the same color here. Okay, and pass the same color here. Okay, and put a border radius here, because I'm figured out to see what's going on, guys. And I need a background color here to be 2-1. And a background image none, and the color of 6. Also we need a font family. The font family of, use the same one. We need a font width of, it should be normal. Also let's add some style, font style. Okay, normal. And we need the font size to 13 pixels. Font size of 13 pixels. Also we need the padding. Yes, for the padding I'm going to copy this to see what's going on and paste it here. Text, we need the text align to be center. Okay, let me use something like WebKit appearance none, like this, and add a margin of 0, because I want to figure out what's going on. And go ahead, save everything, go back here. Now we have the button inside. Okay, I don't know, yeah, maybe this code I add this doesn't work. Okay, that one is work fine. And next, guys, probably the last line of code. Let's paste this one here and put over here. I'm going to put over the button and put a background color. Here's the color. Okay, save everything and refresh it. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, this is it. We will this is where I'm going to stop for part 1, because this is a project. If you take a look, okay, on this one, this is the first one, the first part, and we are here. We have experience and button, we have education, we have skills, we have interest, also we have discover more, also we have send message. So as you can see, and I'm going to stop here for part 1. Okay, I'm glad you got it until now. Okay, and this is it. This is a last line of code and button. Now what I'm going to do, we can cut this. We can cut this one, and that's everything. Okay, and first this is the all our folder and files. Okay, the creator index.html and my underscore layout.css. Also we have a style for our navigation. Okay, here we're not done yet, and this is so far so good. We have we got the first part. We have the first part. Okay, and this is pretty much the same. Okay, I'm glad. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this channel. Okay, and this is, I'm going to stop here. This is for part 1. This is a part 1. This is the last line of code. This is for part 1. When we come back, this is second tutorial. We'll make a part 2. I think this it will be more shorter than the part 1. I have to explain it, everything. So, and as you can see, part 2, we have experience, not too many, and as you can see, this is education and so on. Okay, all right, thank you for watching once again, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.